If your video is not having click, then your thumbnail might be the problem. So let's fix that today. What is the work of a thumbnail? Many beginners think that the thumbnail should explain everything. No, that is the work of the title. A thumbnail has only one job, which is to make viewer more curious enough to click the video. Think about the last video you clicked on YouTube. Was it about the editing that made you to click on that video? It was about the thumbnail that convince you to click on that video. Imagine somebody scrolling on YouTube and pause for 1 second. Your thumbnail has to answer the following question: why should I click? What is this all about? Why should I care? And if this takes longer before the viewers understand why they should do that, then you have already lost. The 5 elements of a good thumbnail. Number 1 is one subject. It could either be you or an object, but not cluster. Number 2, one emotion. Show expression like happy, sad, curious, confused, and so on. People connect more with faces than normal text. Number 3, very few words. A lot of people think that when they put clusters of text, paragraphs, and so on their thumbnail, it gets a lot of view. No. Very few words, maximum of 2 to 4 words. Something like stop doing this. Now this makes people to think, what is it? Then people will click to get the answer from the video of what your thumbnail is saying. Number 4, eye contrast. Remember that people watches your video from mobile phone, even with small screen. So you have to make your visual to be high. So it should be bright subject, bright text, things that people will be able to see, to read. Because if they don't understand what the thumbnail is saying, nobody clicks. Number 5, curiosity. Don't explain everything in your thumbnail. Create a question in the mind of viewers. This makes them to click on the video to know what this thing is all about. So instead of saying best microphone under 50,000, say I was wrong. That creates a question in viewers' mind. Thumbnail mistakes that beginners make. Number 1, too many text, clustering everywhere, writing stories on your thumbnail. Nobody wants to read paragraph in your thumbnail. Number 2 is no emotion. A blank face rarely perform compared to a face with expression. When you show happy, confused, that reads meanings to viewers' mind. Number 3 is tiny fonts. When you are using tiny font on your thumbnail, because a lot of viewers use your video from mobile, so they are unable to see the write-ups in your thumbnail. Number 4, too many arrows, too many circles, etc. Just everything too busy. Keep your thumbnail clean and simple. Number 5, your title and your thumbnail says exactly the same thing. No, let the two work together, not saying the same thing. Before you upload, ask yourself this question: will people understand this thumbnail? Is there one clear focus? Did it raise curiosity? Will I click it if I see this thumbnail? If no, then don't upload. Keep improving it. In this way, don't create new thumbnail. Firstly, go and study 20 creators in your niche and ask yourself, why did they choose this style? Why this expression? Why this color? Why this text? Learning to observe is part of becoming a great creator. Your thumbnail is your video first impression, and if nobody clicks, nobody watch, and if nobody watch, your amazing content will not get the chance it deserves. So spend time on your thumbnail. It's not decorating, it is marketing, because your thumbnail is what viewers see first before they even see the value in your video. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and on the notification bell, because next time we're talking about another skill that will change your channel, how to create a title that no one can ignore. So keep learning, keep creating, and keep growing. See you in my next video.